sur quel ton. Je dois te dire que t'es chou, mais pas mon style de garçon. Et pourtant moi je savais que quand tu m'as accosté, je n'allais pas satisfaire ton envie de me baiser.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. It is Saturday, which means Saturday is either A, race day, which sadly it's not race day, or B, cars and coffee. The correct answer is B. And if you guys remember me telling you yesterday's video, today we are going to be doing a shoot with a Porsche GT3 and obviously cars and coffee. So very exciting day today. I've got some of the boys with me. I think Keaton, Corey, and Sean are going to be there as well. It's going to be super exciting. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's a little bit chilly, high 40s, but it is sunny. It is very sunny. That's all that matters. I got some Tim Hortons coffee. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys are drinking today. With that being said, we got about 20 minutes until we get to the show. So let's get there and have a hell of a day. Okay, so it is absolutely packed. So much so that we can't even park at the show. We got to park and walk. The boys are about 20 minutes away, so I'm going to wait up for them and take this long walk over to the show while we're waiting. Got the whole group here: Mike, Evan, Keaton, Corey, Hunter, Sean, the whole group mobbing out. This GTR, nice R8. Quadrifolio, Mitch, there's your car. I know how much you love that. Well, what a day. Guys, I don't even know really what to say right now. Fast forward about an hour-ish, it's almost 1 o'clock. So I spent I was here for 2.5 hours, and I spent 2 hours talking to people. I had a bunch of friends here, like you guys saw. I also met a bunch of cool people. I also met up with a bunch of people who I've met from social media, and I just talked. We talked. It was just crazy. The entire time was just socializing, which was such an incredible time to just talk to people and understand their cars and understand their rides and understand their stories. So I unfortunately didn't get much footage. What you guys saw is really all I got of looking at cars. I didn't really spend too much time, like I said, shooting. There were so many cars that didn't get. There was a couple Huracans, there was Aventadors, there was some Gallardos, there was a few twin turbo Supras, There was just so much, couple 458s. Anyhow, so the story with Mike, and Mike has the GT3 that we were supposed to shoot with today. So unfortunately, he has a meeting with his boss back in Cleveland, so he has to leave a little bit earlier than anticipated. So we were going to shoot today after the car show today, but unfortunately due to that we are unable to do so. So we are going to reschedule to shoot sometime maybe next week or the following week. So we will still have an opportunity to shoot with Mike and his GT3, also his Porsche Boxster. Both are beautiful, and I'm super excited to be able to shoot with those. Mike is a very nice guy. I talked to him for quite a while. Awesome guy, very nice to meet him. Just a great guy to talk to and understand his story, and I talked to him about mine. So just a great time. So we are going to be shooting with Mike's Porsche, unfortunately just not today, hopefully in the next week or so. I was able to meet up with a couple of other people, in which we should be attending another car show tomorrow, pending weather, in which we should be shooting potentially with a Papa Smurf style BMW M4, which is very popular here in Ohio. Talked to the guy a lot, very cool dude, had an Evo 8 prior, ended up getting an M4, so much shooting going on. I also met a guy who does rallycross, who has a 1975 Mini and a Lotus Esprit, in which we will be shooting content with that as well. There's just so much content upcoming in which we will be shooting, and I'm so excited for it. And on top of that, of course, we have the business vlogs, and on top of that, we of course have my racing with the Mini. So much going on. If you guys have not already, hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can stay up to date with everything going on. All my socials are linked down below as well. Be sure to follow. Leave your comment down below on something you guys want to see done for the channel coming up in the next few weeks. Like I said, so much going on, but I'm always looking for ideas. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Peace out, and remember, you create your own story.